My name is Catherine, and you're in the kitchen with Catherine this afternoon. I want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today, I want to share with you a recipe for a Christmas drink, non-alcoholic. Children, adults, everyone can enjoy. It's a very simple punch with maybe 3 main ingredients, a couple of tall glasses or short glasses, and some crystallized festive sugar sprinkles. Ice cream, Canada Dry, and cranberry juice is all we need to make this very good punch. And I'll show you how. First, you will need a tall glass or a medium glass or a small glass, your choice. Then, to make the glass look festive, we're going to pour maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of Canada Dry in a bowl. Next, we're going to let's start with the medium glass and put the rim in the Canada Dry. Shake off the excess and dip it into the sugar crystals. See how pretty that is? After we have decorated that glass, let's go ahead and do our next tall glass. Do the same thing. Twist it around in a little bit of the ginger ale. Dip it into the crystal sugars. I mix the red and the green crystals together just for fun. Look how pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, now we're ready to start mixing our drink. First, we're going to pour a 1 cup of cranberry juice into the tall glass. Being careful not to mess up the pretty edges. All right, got that. Next, we're going to add 2 scoops. This is a medium-sized scoop of vanilla ice cream. Your choice is good. I prefer the vanilla. Two scoops, just like that. Next, we're going to top the cranberry juice and the ice cream with Canada Dry or ginger ale to give it some fizz. And that's all we need to do as far as pouring things. Next, we're going to take some of that same sugar that we mixed up to rim the glasses, and we're going to top it off. Now, the kids will love this because it's pretty, and they think they're having an unusual drink when it's just fruit juice, Canada Dry ice cream. You can serve this at snack time. This can be served for dinner time punch, or you can just have it in the refrigerator and someone dropping by serving some punch in a very dressed up glass. And this drink, this punch is called Red Reindeer. And if you look at it, it's very festive. We're going to do one more, same as before. We can even change it up. We can go ahead and put the ice cream in the bottom. Two scoops, 1 big scoop, or 3 scoops, whatever you like. And then we can pour in the, this glass is smaller, so you won't need quite a whole cup full. We can pour this in. We need just enough to float the ice cream. And some of you remember, they used to make ice cream floats with orange drink and root beer drink. This is the same thing. It's just festive with cranberry juice. And then we can add some sugar on top. The ice cream is floating around in there. Add a straw and enjoy. Look how pretty. It is delicious. Not too sweet, no alcohol, and very much in line with the Christmas season. Enjoy. Happy holidays.